In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off media streaming in Windows 11 in case if you have it turned on. So the first thing you need to do, so go ahead, type in Control Panel in the search menu. After that, click on Open and then go ahead to View By and select Gallery. As you can see now, click on Internet and Connection. After that, click on Network and Share and Central. As you can see, now go ahead, click on Media Streaming Options. And here you can turn on your media streaming in case you don't have it turned on. But if you have it turned on, you can turn it off from this same place. So let me turn it on to show you how to disable it. Now, in order to disable it, just go ahead, go back to Media Streaming Options. And then after that, you can click on Block All, as you can see. And now your media streaming has been turned off. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.